So if you ever get arrested, don't panic, because me and my student Liam are gonna teach you how to do the handcuff windmill. So stay tuned. Boom, what up? It's your boy Coach Sambo right here with a new tutorial, always providing you with that high quality b-boy shiznit and the top secret techniques that I have developed after plus 20 years of coaching as a professional b-boy coach. Yeah. It's been one hell of a ride. Anyway, to learn the handcuff windmills, which is one of the most difficult basic variations if you ask me, you obviously need how to do a really good windmill, which you can find a tutorial of on my YouTube channel. And I also recommend you guys to learn the barrel mill, which that tutorial can equally be found on my YouTube channel, of course. Now don't worry, Coach Sambo's got you covered. Now a really good start to learn these handcuff windmills is starting out with a basic windmill without using your hands and then pushing off with the front of your head. Now this technique is shown in detail in the barrel mill tutorial, so definitely check this video out if you have no idea how to do that. Now at first, when executing this windmill with your head, you want to have your arms in front of you, avoiding using that stab or baby freeze to help keep those legs up. So it's very similar to a barrel mill. Already checking the box on the first step and getting those hands closer to that handcuff position. If you already know how to do this, then that's really great, and that means you will be able to do these handcuff windmills pretty soon. Okay. The next step is placing those arms and hands on your thighs, which is getting you one step closer to the handcuffs. And if you know how to do this, then you're getting pretty close to the technique of the handcuffs.
Great kid, don't get cocky.
Because this is basically how I build up to the handcuffs. We start off with the arms in front of us like a barrel mill. Then the next step is placing our hands on our thighs. After that, we'll place our hand on our behind or on those ass cheeks. And the ass cheeks is basically the final step before grabbing your hands behind your back and executing the actual form of the handcuff windmill. So hands in front of you, hands on your thighs, hands on your ass cheeks, and then finish off with your hands behind your back. Now pay really good attention before executing the handcuffs, because it's really common for people to hurt themselves by receiving that full body weight on those hands and basically squishing your hands between you and the floor. And this usually happens because the legs and the hips are too low during the moment you're spinning or gliding on your back. So the fix for this, and make sure you try it out before trying the handcuffs, is to keep your legs and your hips higher, basically folding together while you're on your back during the windmill or handcuffs. This usually already happens when you're doing a normal windmill. However, sometimes when people just execute the handcuff windmill, they forget this. And then trust me, you don't want to go through that. So yeah, thank me in advance for whatever could have happened in the future. So yeah, you're welcome. So once you understand and processed everything that I've shared with you in this video up to now, the only thing there's left to do is basically just go full out and try the whole thing. Start out from a power kick so you get that good speed into your basic windmill. Keep those arms in front of you, then place them on your thighs, then placing on your behind, and then keep those hips high enough so you manage to put them behind your back, and finally execute this handcuff windmill. Keeping in mind as a final detail right here that you want to use the front of your head to push yourself off the floor so you manage to keep that height and also keep that momentum. And if this works, the next thing you have to do is combine it so you can use it in a combo for battle so you manage to smoke those fools out there that are not watching my YouTube channel. Now talking about handcuffs, which b-boy or b-girl out there has the sickest handcuffs? Let us know in the comment section down below. I got a couple in mind, but I leave it up to you to let us know in the comment section. Also, if you like my videos and you like the way I teach, don't forget I have hundreds of tutorials that you can find on my YouTube channel. And also, if you're looking for that more in-depth and more exclusive content, then definitely check out my website, because there you find very, very advanced masterclasses. Link is in the description down below. Because never forget, at the end of the day, when you think about it, it's just all about that b-boy. Peace.